Good day, Ma'am and Sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Cherry B. Pisario, 32 years old from Philippines. I am happily married, blessed with 3 children, ages 9 years old, 7 years old, and 1 year old. My husband is a mechanic, my father is a farmer, and my mother is a housekeeper. I have one sister and I am the youngest. I am Roman Catholic and I am high school graduate. I have a work experience in Singapore. Year 2018, I served 5 members of the family, a one couple and the 2 children, ages 4 years old and 1 year old, and a one elderly 68 years old. My main duties are taking care of the children, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, washing the dishes, wash the clothes, cleaning the pool, car washing, and gardening. I have a work experience here also in the Philippines for 6 years, since January 2019 to January 2024. I serve 4 members of the family, such a one couple, 2 children, ages 6 years old and 3 years old, same boy. My main duties are to taking care of the children, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, car washing, marketing, cooking, and gardening. Mom and Sir, if you choose me as your helper, I will do my very best to do my duties and responsibilities as well. I am trustworthy, good person, honest, and hardworking. Thank you, Mom. I hope to see you very soon. Have a good day.